Sandy.
Yeah.
How do you say Samhain? Oh, I said it right. Happy Samhain. Hoping you're having a spooky time. So I was thinking, since it is spooky season, I was gonna do a little Halloween special. So the other day, Vasi posted this video and the thumbnail was really like inspiring to me. It inspired me so. Not inspiring, but I was like, ho ho ho, headless Victorian lady. So I was thinking for Halloween, I am wanting to recreate a couple Victorian spooky pictures because I just finished my corset. Yes. Well, almost. I still need to do the flossing, but it's like, it's wearable. So I am thinking of recreating a couple Victorian photographs and playing around with them a bit, making them, you know, look spooky, but using more modern techniques because I don't have a Victorian camera. I think for most of these I'm going to be wearing just, I've got my Victorian combinations and my corset. Very exciting. And then I've got a petticoat that's like semi-finished. And then, oh, I've got this blouse that's like, I think it's like an H&M blouse, actually. But I added new cuffs, so it looks slightly more Victorian. Slightly. And then I've got he's perfect. So I'm gonna trick Sandy into being my skeleton man. Then I'm just gonna set up the studio. But first, I think I'm gonna need to make my hair Victorian. I'm thinking of going for a kind of Gibson Girl-esque vibe. We'll see how that goes. Stunning. I've put my blush somewhere silly, so I guess we're not doing that. All right, let's do some eyebrows then instead. Do you enjoy my beautiful makeup look? Oh, should I do the... Just add a little bit of color to enhance the eyes. This is not a Victorian makeup tutorial, by the way. Oh well, I've got some powder. I know they use that. Victorians love blush, so let's put on some blush. You know, get that sunburnt look. I actually cannot fucking see without my glasses. I'm just like, So I guess you guys are just gonna have to tell me if it looks bad. Beautiful, stunning. Whatever the fuck else she says. Groundbreaking. Amazing. If I was wearing this outside, I would not do this, but it's fine. It's fine. Right, okay, let's set up the studio. Studio slash my living room is set up. I've got blackout curtains, so it'll be easy to edit against. I'm wearing my Victorian outfit-ish. I'm wearing, well, basically my underwear. I'm wearing my petticoat and my corset and my combinations and my H&M shirt. So I'm doing that.
Turn your wrists up slightly. Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. And just grab your heat. Yeah, stay like that. Elbows down slightly.
This one's just the one with the lady in the white dress without a head.
I think that works. I think you're doing it.
Next one is the one with the one that you get to help. This could almost be my skeleton. Teeny tiny legs. I've got my wine slash poison bottle. And then I've got a teeny tiny wine glass and some sort of juice.
Not sponsored.
Spooky. You've got that one, the wrong one. Here's the thumb.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Do you want help with that?
Uh-huh.
That one down.
Uh-huh.
Like that. Basically what I'm doing here.
Uh-huh.
You can't see?
Uh-huh.
Sorry. That's actually perfect. Great. Lean forward a little bit. Right. Oh wait, my glasses. Embarrassing. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Ah! You okay?
Yep.
Plastic.
Yum.
Now I'm gonna put this away.
It was when you were directing me and I couldn't see.
I'm sorry.
He's like this. He's got his hand in a weird
I
position.
think he's doing that, like kind of almost leaning, but like thoughtful leaning. Yeah. And then that hand is on the other lap. Yeah, like that. And then like looking this way-ish. Actually, I can't tell if the hand shows.
You're thinking I have not wearing my glasses.
Nope. Yeah.
Ah.
So I think it's like a.
Yeah, you're kind of squatting as well. You're like both legs kind of splayed out. Yeah.
I feel like a video game character. I also think I don't know how to juggle.
Yeah, that's
So.
gonna make it hard.
We'll see if we can get that to work.
I hope you enjoyed our little Halloween special, despite it not coming out on Halloween as planned. Both me and Sandy have been really ill for the last 2 weeks, so we're a little bit better now. Well, I am, Sandy's not. Perfectly timed coughing. It's not the plague, I promise. Well, you know, Halloween lasts until Christmas. And Christmas lasts until Halloween. Doodles says like and subscribe.
Doodles.
Now she's the witch.
Magic.
Truly. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Whew.
Dizzy? Yeah. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Do you think that's fine?